Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions. This essential oil is derived from the leaves of the tea tree, which is native to Australia. Today, tea tree oil is widely used around the world for its many health benefits. So what are some of the uses and benefits of tea tree oil? Let's take a look. One of the most popular uses of tea tree oil is for treating acne. Tea tree oil has powerful antibacterial properties that can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. To use tea tree oil for acne, simply dilute a few drops of tea tree oil in a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to your skin using a cotton ball. Tea tree oil can also be used to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot. To do this, simply add a few drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of water and soak your feet in it for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Tea tree oil is also great for promoting healthy hair and scalp. To use tea tree oil for hair care, simply add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner and use it as you normally would. The tea tree oil will help to soothe an itchy scalp and prevent dandruff. Tea tree oil can also be used to promote oral health. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to your mouthwash or mix it with water and use it as a mouth rinse to help freshen your breath and fight bacteria in your mouth. And finally, tea tree oil can be used to soothe skin irritations like insect bites and sunburns. Simply dilute a few drops of tea tree oil in a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. When using tea tree oil, it's important to remember that it is a powerful essential oil and should be used with care. Always dilute tea tree oil in a carrier oil before applying it to your skin, and never ingest tea tree oil. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the benefits of tea tree oil is to use a diffuser. Simply add a few drops of tea tree oil to your diffuser and enjoy the soothing and refreshing scent. But did you know that you can also use tea tree oil to make your own natural cleaning products? Add a few drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of water and use it to clean surfaces like countertops, floors, and bathrooms. You can also add tea tree oil to a spray bottle filled with water and use it as a natural insect repellent. Tea tree oil is a natural insecticide and can help to keep bugs like mosquitoes and ants away. If you're looking for a natural deodorant that's free of harsh chemicals and additives, why not make your own using tea tree oil? Start by mixing together 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil. Mix the ingredients together until they are well combined, and then transfer the mixture to a small jar or container with a lid. To use your new natural deodorant, simply apply a small amount to your underarms using your fingertips. Did you like learning about tea tree oil? With its many uses and benefits, tea tree oil is a versatile essential oil that can be a valuable addition to your natural medicine cabinet.